Okay, so the next step, so we have our coconut meat in rounds here, and I usually like to salt the little pieces of coconut before I use them because it gives it more of a mozzarella flavor. So just right in my hand, I salt it.
What kind of salt are you using, Rachel?
This is Himalayan pink salt.
Himalayan. So,
yeah.
Oh, how is that different from a sea salt or a
Well,
Celtic sea salt?
It's actually the salt. The minerals have crystallized in a mountain instead of being removed from the ocean.
So it's not as processed.
That's right.
Okay, good.
And the crystals, I've heard that the crystals are more perfect.
So it's
more
healthier, natural state.
That's correct.
That's always good.
Okay.
So that probably has less sodium too.
I'm not really sure about that, but yeah.
It's healthier.
It's healthy. It's good for you.
That's right.
And okay, so we have our mozzarella here. And then the next step is we've taken a lovely tomato and we've sliced it. We've got 5 slices of tomato for this dish. And I lay a tomato slice down, and then I lay down a slice of mozzarella. And then I lay down another slice of tomato, and a slice of mozzarella, and I just keep going along the plate.